it is the next day. It is finally the last 24 hours of this video, and today is more per se on the calm side. Don't mind these boxes. I'm doing like an unboxing video on my business page, so if you have not subscribed over there, definitely do that. So earlier a package for me came from Amazon, so I was like, let's just open it. So this particular week I have been outside a lot, so I was like, let me just spend some time in the house, because next week I'm super busy. And my mom just came back from outside. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. It's my birthday tomorrow.
Okay. And I don't know, I feel like I want to show y'all what I'm gonna be wearing for her birthday, but I don't know as yet, because the dress, remember the dress that is in this video, and I was like, I look like I'm from the Little Perry people. It kind of gave that, so I'm gonna try it back on for her so she could, you know, I don't know, but we'll figure it out. So I got some new lashes, hear me, lashes, some nails, you already know, down in my storefront. Click it and the nails is right there, so stay tuned for a video. I think I want to wear these this weekend, probably not, I don't know, I'll figure it out, but it is super cute. So yeah, the quality of these nails, 10 out of 10. So that is all that came in that package. So right now I'm just gonna sit down, chat with my mom, and write in my journal. So I'll see you in a couple. Journal.